Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a new deal in your Monday CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to add a deal into your Monday CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business working a lot of different deals, you know, it can be time consuming to keep track of them, and sometimes the deal gets forgotten. So by adding a new deal into your Monday CRM, it can help bring it to the forefront or keep it urgent. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Monday CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Monday CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a new deal, there's actually a few different ways you can do this. If you already have a contact that you're working with on a new deal, you can simply add a deal into the contact. So how you do that is here on the left side, you're going to click on contacts. Once you do that, scroll through until you find the contact that you're working on the deal with. So for example, this one right here, and here in this column, you're going to see deals. You can click on plus. Here you can simply add them to an existing deal. However, if it's a new deal, you can go ahead and just start typing in the deal name. So maybe this is for a real estate project. Let's say it's at 510 Main Street. Okay, so you can see I don't have a deal with this name on it. So I can just click here, add 510 Main Street as a new deal, and then it creates the new deal and it automatically attaches it to this particular contact. Another way you can add a deal is here on the left side, you can click on deals. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show all the deals that you are currently working on. So you can see here is 510 Main Street, which we just added. But to add a new deal, we can go ahead, click here, new deal. Okay, now it opens up a new line. So let's say that we have another real estate project at 123 Front Street. We can just add that, and then we can go ahead and start adding in data. So what stage is this? Once you click in here, you can go new, discovery, proposal, negotiation, one, lost. So right now we are negotiating. Here you can go ahead and add the owner of this deal. So is it going to be you or one of your assistants or maybe a colleague? And then the deal value. So let's say that the commission on this is going to be $45,000. And then here we can go ahead and do the reverse of what we did down here on 510 Main Street. Instead of adding the deal into the contact, we're going to add the contact into the deal. So I'll click here and choose one of my contacts. And then we can go ahead and add an expected close date. So let's say that maybe we're 30 days out. So we'll put that in June. Okay, here we can go ahead and add a probability of closing. So this one is a pretty sure deal. So we'll just do this at 99%. Now, if you want to add in more data like comments on this particular deal, we can just hover over the deal name and then click on these two arrows. Okay, once we do that, it's going to up the edit screen for this particular deal. So we can click here on add activity, and then we can add a note, for example. And let's say this is pending approval from CFO. Okay. And then we'll just click on add. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new deal into your Monday CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.